Welcome to Aon Product Pick, your trusted source for the best home appliance reviews, buying guides, and smart home tips. In today's video, we're counting down the top 3 best washing machines in 2025, featuring the most reliable, efficient, and feature-packed models on the market right now. From high-capacity front loaders to smart top loaders with built-in AI and energy-saving technology, these washing machines are designed to make your laundry routine faster, cleaner, and more convenient. We'll cover key features, performance, pros and cons, and which model is best for your home and lifestyle. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the top washing machines that 2025 has to offer. Number 3, GE Profile Ultrafast Combo Washer and Dryer. The GE Profile Ultrafast Combo is a modern all-in-one washer-dryer designed for convenience and compact living. With a 4.8 cubic feet capacity, ventless heat pump drying, and fast airflow tech, it can complete a full wash and dry cycle in about 2 hours. Features like Adaptive Smart Dispense, which holds detergent for up to 32 loads, Microbang antimicrobial protection, pet hair removal, and Wi-Fi connectivity via the Smart HQ app add to its appeal. For apartments or homes short on space, or users who prefer not to move clothes between machines, this model brings high-tech functionality and time-saving automation into one footprint. However, user reviews reveal several potential deal breakers. Many report excessive lint buildup, frequent clogs, and longer-than-promised drying times, with some cycles taking up to 6 to 8 hours. Noise, reliability concerns, and the need for regular maintenance, including monthly service calls for some, raise questions about long-term durability. While a few users love the hands-free convenience, especially for overnight cycles or small households, this combo unit may frustrate those expecting plug-and-play performance. In short, it's a sleek, feature-packed machine, but success depends on light usage and diligent upkeep. Number 2, Maytag Pet Pro Top Load Washer. The Maytag Pet Pro Top Load Washer is purpose-built for households with pets, and it shines in removing stubborn fur from laundry. Its standout feature, the Pet Pro Cycle, uses extra water, a deep rinse, and Maytag's first-ever built-in Pet Pro filter, which traps up to 5 times more pet hair than traditional washers. With a generous 4.7 cubic feet capacity, it's ideal for large or bulky items like blankets and pet beds. Added conveniences like the built-in faucet for pre-treating stains, deep fill, and stainless steel drum make this washer as versatile as it is powerful. Backed by a 10-year limited parts warranty, it's built for long-term performance. However, it's not without flaws. Some users report long wash cycles, often pushing 90 minutes due to the auto-sensing water system, and minor issues with hair getting stuck around the drum or filter housing, making cleanup a bit tricky. That said, many pet owners still appreciate how effective the Pet Pro filter is, often describing how much fur it pulls from each load. If managing pet hair is a top priority, the Maytag Pet Pro is one of the best washers available, but be prepared for slightly longer cycles and occasional maintenance around the filter. Number 1, LG Stackable Smart Front Load Washer. The LG Stackable Smart Front Load Washer strikes an ideal balance between space-saving design and high-performance functionality. With a generous 4.5 to 5.0 cubic feet capacity, it can easily handle bulky items like king-size comforters. Its turbo-washed 360 degrees, or 2.0, technology uses high-pressure nozzles to finish large loads in under 30 minutes, without compromising cleaning power. Thanks to AI-driven fabric sensing, the washer adjusts water levels, temperature, and drum motion based on each load. Added perks like steam-powered allergen and sanitized cycles offer peace of mind for allergy sufferers. Plus, the LG ThinQ app enables remote control, cycle notifications, and smart pairing with compatible dryers for effortless laundry syncing. However, performance can vary depending on installation, especially in stacked configurations where some users report vibrations or minor imbalances during high-speed spins. Tower-style combos may also require more frequent maintenance due to lint buildup or slow-draining cycles. While a few customers note occasional glitches with the smart features or mixed experiences with LG's customer service, most agree the washer is quiet, efficient, and highly convenient. Overall, it's a smart investment for households wanting powerful, modern laundry performance in a compact, tech-savvy design. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.